You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name famous for being the name, at least of a German mathematician from history. For more names from Germany and mathematics, the history of science, make sure to stay tuned. So let's go through the different pronunciations. In German, it is usually pronounced as Riemann, Riemann. So in English, the most common pronunciation is as Riemann, Riemann, but some pronounce it in a more German way as Riemann as well. Riemann or Riemann, or in German, how to pronounce Riemann. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.